What's going on, speculators? It's Rod, the Futures Fanatic. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, I'll be the first one to tell you this is total clickbait. The headline is clickbait. I'm not done with Apex. In fact, Apex is still one of the best prop firms out there for a variety of reasons. And the video that you're going to watch is actually clips from a stream that I did about 2, 3, maybe 3 weeks ago, where I also said I'm done with Apex. And most of my streams get about 300 to 1,000 views. This one got like 5,000 views because I put the word Apex in the title. So I made this video just today with this intro to tell you that actually the sale is back. So if you want to work with one of the best firms still out there, and I'm going to stick to that 100%, the one that I've taken the most personal payouts from, hassle-free, easy payouts if you do things the TDG way. By the way, I'm leaving up here on the screen right now what I have during my live streams, which is the free ebook, Learn How to Do Prop Right. But anyway, real quick, the sale that's going on right now, which I'll put up on the screen as well, is 90% off, 80% recurring. You're going to use code TDG Fanatic if you want to get that over there at Apex. And they're doing some other specials with this. It's $85 activation fees. So if you add the subscription fee plus the activation fee, these are very, very cheap accounts. And they're even doing something now to, I'm not a huge fan of this, I'll just be totally honest with you, for the $250,000 and $300,000 accounts, which, by the way, you should still trade micros in, but most of you are not going to be disciplined enough or want to take the time it would take to pass those accounts using micros. But I think it's like $37 or something like that. Look, hold on a second. I have some notes here. Yeah, it's like $37 for the PA activation. Yeah, for the 250 and 300, that's a little crazy. And then lifetime PA fees are $85 for all the other account sizes, and resets, which you shouldn't do, are $37. So go ahead and enjoy this video. Watch it if you like. I think it was a stream where I mentioned I'm done with Apex, but as you can see there on the screen, it's hardly done with Apex. What I mentioned in that video is that I had just bought 5 of my last ever Apex accounts. I've been very fortunate over the years to work with Apex as the firm that I spent the most amount of time with in terms of teaching and training how to do these programs right. And as you can see here on the screen, I do have a number of different PAs of various different sizes, as well as I'm connected to a bunch of other accounts. And if you watch this video, which I'll link to as well, you can find out how you can multi-prop using Trade-of-8 and NinjaTrader if you wanted to connect to other prop firms at the same time. Anyway, enjoy this video. I'm not done with Apex, anything but, and if you'd like to get involved in these accounts, you can use code TDG Fanatic, 90% off, a bunch of other specials that they're running in terms of some of those larger accounts. I do have some of these larger accounts that you see here. Full disclosure, it did take me 3 to 4 months to pass those trading micros because that's the only way to do these accounts properly. That'll be it for now. Check out the video here. Check out the futures ebook there that I have, and we'll see you at the next one. Thanks. All right, what's going on, speculators? Just real quick, want to remind everybody of the disclaimer and risk disclosure. Please make sure you read that, especially the top part, pretty funny. And now for the little teaser, in case someone comes in because of this headline, I am done with Apex. But yes, it's a little bit of clickbait, not in the way you would think. But what I'm going to do today is buy my last 5 Apex evaluations that I'll ever purchase. I've had approaching 300. Now, before you go, 300? What? You suck. I looked over the stats and I actually passed 181 of them, but only ever activated 40. I'm on my 40th, so I'll buy 5 more, activate those within 30 to 60 days, and we'll have 20 PA accounts, and it'll be the last time I ever go through that cycle again. I got back to passing and then taking some profits from these things. By the way, on another account, a personal account, and just real quick, you can't do this. Don't do this. It's not permitted. But back in the beginning with Apex, I had a personal account and I had a couple business accounts, and I knew the guys there and I was working with them. So I had some for teaching, training, and education, and others. But on my personal accounts, 6 figures of withdrawals, if not more. And then here on these business accounts, which are under my business name, which is called Serador Capital, I'm approaching about 50,000 in payouts, really doing it very, 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 very part-time, because many of you know that are following my streams, I'm involved and connected to a lot of other accounts and doing a lot of other things. But let me just bring up Discord real quick And as I've shown a little bit before, my favorite channel on Discord is our prop payout channel. And these are the ones that I'm doing under my new business here, Ciridor Holdings LLC. So I take right around 7,000 to 10,000 per month out. I don't post all of them the last time, so here's a couple here from back in May. So anyhow, enough with the social proof. The real important part of this channel, whenever I go to it, is how other people are using the same strategies, same approach. Micros make money, trade and learn how to manage risk in a small account, then use copiers, the whole thing, yada, yada, yada. We'll get into some of the strategies a little bit more today. And then for the first time in a while, I have this screen up, which I'll leave up for just a little bit. Let me just organize it by PAs. Here are all the various PAs. And for the life of me, or I wish, they'll never probably change this, that PAs could be switched to a zero balance so you could see what the actual balances are, 3,000, 4,000, 2,500, 2,100, without removing this nonsense of the notional value. I decided to add some bigger accounts over the last cycle, and the 5 that I'll be buying today are going to be $150,000 accounts on Rhythmic. The reason I'm doing that is really, why not when the activation fee is the same? It allows me to draw a little bit more when I pull into my risk budget. So that is the little clickbait going on, which is that I think I'm not as close with Apex anymore, to be dead-ass honest as well, but I think this might be one of the last 90% off sales before they start to offer direct accounts as well. I had mentioned in my trade room this morning, and I discussed it yesterday, I don't quite get why people don't think that a reasonable activation fee, especially for a larger account, plus a very, very low monthly, 90% off first month, 80% off going forward, and that's the sale they're running through the end of today. So if you've never had an Apex account, I can't imagine there's many people listening to my voice that haven't, but maybe you stumble upon this replay. And if it's before tonight at midnight and you go to tradersdevgroup.com/Apex and you use code TDG Fanatic, you'll get 90% off your first month and 80% recurring. Here's why that's important, because what I teach is taking this slow. I don't really have any tolerance or patience for people that say the programs force you to go fast because there's a monthly subscription charge that you hit every month. Yeah, that monthly subscription charge is a lot if you're bundling in your activation fee. In other words, if you're going with one of the firms that charges a evaluation fee and an activation fee, and you don't pass it in a month, you're going to pay that higher built-in activation fee every single month. So don't do that. If you're first starting out, the best firms for doing this are Apex, Bullinox, Prop Shop Trader. Go with inexpensive accounts, okay? And stop with all the bullshit about whether you're going to get paid, especially if you're in a different phase in your career. Don't worry about that. Apex is not going anywhere. Prop Shop is not going anywhere. Bullinox is not going anywhere, okay? At least from a solvency perspective. I don't know if rules and regulations will change and how much longer they can offer multiple accounts at these deep-ass discounts. So this will be the last time I ever do it with Apex, and that's the little clickbaity part. You do things the way I'm showing you here, or even somewhat close to it, you can cash flow these accounts, change your life eventually within a year. Just give me 1 year of doing this right. Keep trading minis, fight the process, complain about the rules and rule changes, and get sucked up into this nonsense about payout denials, mass payout denials. You're just in the wrong headspace to make this work. Take advantage of these programs while they exist, everybody. Please do. And the sales that go on at essentially Bullinox, Prop Shop, and Apex right now are the best for beginners. I would even recommend, as I do in my Prop Done Right ebook, I used to say only buy one to start out. Keep your costs at 15 or 20 bucks a month, okay? Now I would say you're better off accelerating that a little bit. Buy 2 or 3 of them, not so that you have a few if you blow the other ones up, not so you trade them in different directions, not so you violate rules, just so that you get into the game the way the game is meant to be played, which is to leverage the buying power across accounts instead of over-leveraging yourself in any one given account. Let me say that again. The prop game, since these accounts are so small and all of it is covered in Prop Done Right, you can get it right down below. There is no exception to this rule that you cannot trade big size of any kind, bigger products or whatever, in these prop programs if you are serious about learning how to develop a skill and serious about learning how to cash flow them properly. Invest the time, please. I'm begging you guys. Take 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. Learn how to do this properly. And then you can do this nonsense that I have on here if you want. You can have 10 from Apex. You can have some from Legends. You can have some from Take Profit. You can have some from Tick. You can have some from Trade Day. You can have some from Elite Trader Funding. You can have some from Bullinox. You can have some from Earn to Trade. You don't need to do any of that. We have people in our group that are making 6 figures a year while not even doing this full time, literally have other jobs, very, very low stress overall, this trading style as well. And they're only doing it in 5 or 6 accounts at one firm. So anyway, that will be the last part of that. The Apex 90% off sale ends today. You can also get 90% off at Prop Shop if you want to use Prop Shop. You can buy Apex accounts from Rhythmic or Tradeovate if you want to use Ninja and multi-prop, as I discuss in my on my blog, on my website. You want to pick Tradeovate accounts from Apex. Okay. If you want to try Apex on TickBlaze, get access to my desktop and use a different platform, learn a different platform, then you'll need a Rhythmic connection and then you can use that at Ninja or any Rhythmic broker, any Rhythmic platform, including like Addis and MotiveWave or Quant Tower, whatever you want to do. And then, of course, I think Apex also offers a new platform now called Wealth Chart. So you have, as I've often said here, you have infinite amount of choice. If you're interested in trading your Apex account at TradingView, then select Tradeovate, and then you can trade both on the Tradeovate desktop, you can trade on the Tradeovate web app, and you can trade in TradingView. So much choice that you have going for you there. All right, I don't know if there'll be any questions on that. I'll leave a link down below to all of the goodies in terms of the ebook and everything that you can get involved with. I'll probably cash flow these for a little while and then do what I did always in the past, which is just cancel them once I've taken enough money out of them, and we'll move on to the next series of prop firms or what have necessary to prove our point. Because you can do what we're doing at TDG, Traders Dev Group, Acorns to Oak Trees, in any small account live as well, and you can do it at any prop firm, and you won't be violating rules, and you won't have to worry about payouts. And if you don't like Apex, and you don't like Prop Shop already, and you don't like Bullinox, fine. There is so much other choice. Yesterday we talked about Perdia. Yesterday we talked about the futures desk. We haven't talked in a while about Trade Day. A lot of people like My Funded Futures. A lot of people like Tradeify. A lot of people like the Futures Network. I could go on and on and on. Find a horse, ride it for a little while, apply these approaches, and you'll be in good shape. Question I get asked, this is a good one. I don't know how I'm eventually going to just squash this. It seems like I can never squash this, which is the classic, don't the fees associated with micros eat into your profit? Well, here's the first thing that you guys have to understand. If you have an account with 40 or 50,000 real dollars in it, don't trade micros. Learn how to control risk in 1 or 2 minis. Or you can still trade micros, because the benefit of being able to scale in, scale out with half size and trade around positions using micros instead of all in on one S&P or 2 S&P, where then it's a binary decision. You know, you have to have these hard stops and hard targets for the most part, or you get really jittery because, you know, I have said this before. I'm very fortunate to have several futures accounts that have mid 6 figures in them. I still get antsy when I have a 6 lot on in the NASDAQ. To this day, that's $120 a point. As a percentage of the account size, it's not that big, but I still get very antsy, and I make different decisions when I have 4 and 6 lots on there. And that's with plenty of money and plenty of margin. I think that either Bullinox or Prop Shop, or could be Elite Trader Funding, or it could be Apex, have one of those really couple low cost accounts in there that renew at 80%, so you don't have to go super fast. Work with a firm that's nearly paid out $1 billion, and that's real payouts. Maybe I'm exaggerating. Is it $1 billion? I know it's $500 million. Let's go with $500 million. Prop Shop's already paid out $1.2 million. The Prop Shop is also 90% off recurring. The best possible way to keep your account, your costs low, especially if you're still not capable of doing what I'm saying, and you're still blowing up accounts and you're still struggling, is to buy some low-cost accounts from Apex, Prop Shop, or Elite Trader Funding, or Bullinox. Pick every one you want. I have links to all of them down below if you want to support my channel and use my coupon so I can make 85 cents. It'd be awesome. But then once you have them, have the discipline to, if you blow up, just let the account reset for 15 or 20 bucks, and then you get a new account. Never pay for a reset, and just keep your account, your costs low. Heck, even if you had 3 accounts, it costs you 60 or 75 bucks a month for the benefit of learning how this all works. Because once you develop the skill, they can't take the skill away from you, no matter what rule changes they make. I mean, if they're going to stay in business, they have to allow some type of trading. And let me tell you, the type of trading that would be the last to get knocked out would be people that are trading really, really small, taking their time, and the firm just doesn't even care about, because they have to worry about the people putting on max size. The question about which copier I recommend, what I recommend is that everyone check out my website and go just pop around for a little bit. If you go to my blog, you'll see I did an entire article on multi-propping, so how you set up multi-propping, and then I did an entire article on trade copiers. And this is already a little stale because there's some new ones that have come into the market that I'm working with right now. So for instance, this one doesn't mention Thor, but here's a spreadsheet that shows Replicanto, Affordable, ETP, Quant Tower, Tradeovate, Project X, Volumetrica, TradeSyncer, and there's some more already. So go check out my website. Now, here's one that I really wish more people would read. So let me show it to you real quick here, is How to Unfuck Your Future. Okay. This one goes through what I talk about every day in here, which is all you have to learn how to do is not lose money. So earlier we were talking about people say they get hammered trading my style or following what's going on here. First of all, they're not following it. Second of all, they're not abating by a daily risk budget. So first of all, that statement's just not true. But even if it was true that you're going to lose money on days in which the market does not mean revert from any meaningful level, that's fine. You'll lose money those days. You're of course not going to win all the time. But as long as you understand the math behind recovery and trade this style, it won't matter. That'll be it for today. Stay green, trade like me, and thanks everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.